Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Prachiti and today we are going to visit IKEA. So guys, we have reached at IKEA and meet my friends.
Hello, hi families.
Alright, so I'm very excited as you can see. So let's get in. So guys, as we entered, you can see this is they have made these small spaces which are pre-designed. And after that, we went to the sofa section where we saw beautiful different kinds of armchairs and sofas. And there was a part where they had ottomans, and I really like these ottomans. They were around 4,000 rupees, which was quite reasonable, I would say. So, this was the kitchen and dining space, which we liked a lot because of the colors they have used. And here I'm trying to show the cabinets and the drawers which were there in this kitchen. And this was the table that we liked the most because of the wooden texture it had, and it was a folding table, so it was great. So guys, we are here at the cabinet section, and as you can see behind me, there are some cool cabinets. So they had placed the carcass of the cabinets where the measurements were written, which was really helpful for the customers. And then they had push to open cabinets as well. And here I am showing some of the shutter options for these cabinets. And here my friend is asking me to open this one because she liked that the most, and it really looked very nice because of the pattern. Moving on was the kitchen section where all the kitchen cabinets and the kitchen countertops were there, and they had some inbuilt stove and sinks placed to give a better idea. And yeah. Moving on was the workspaces section where all the workstations and the ergonomical chairs were there. Then was the bedroom section where we saw different kinds of cots designed bedrooms and some beautiful lighting fixtures that they had used in the bedrooms, and the comfy beds with the cushions. It was all a comfortable experience. Then came this wardrobe section where they had again placed different kinds of shutters and the carcass of the wardrobes. Here I'm trying to show one of the wardrobes they had with the accessories they provided. There are many types of accessories, and these were some of them. So, this was the kids' bedroom. They had designed it in orange color, and yeah, this was the kids' section. And then we finally reached the cafeteria. I was really hungry with at this point of time, and I was waiting to see what all delicious food they had, because this, as you know, this was my first time visiting IKEA.
Alright, guys, food is done. Now it's time to continue the visit, and we're going to the decor section.
So, this was the most important section for us, as we wanted to buy some stuff from the cutlery section and the decor section, and we explored many options here. Then came my favorite section, that was lighting section, and I love lighting, and I love how different fixtures of lightings are available in IKEA, and they are so beautiful and very reasonable in price. And I was very amazed with the different kinds of lighting fixtures and the pieces they had. It looked very beautiful. After lighting was the section where all the artificial flowers and plants were kept. It looked good. I think I would say it looked pretty much real, but yeah, those were all artificial. But I especially liked the different types of flowers that were available. And the final part, just before the billing counters, was the section, or I would not call it section, but a space where all the production happens and all the packages were kept. And it was a factory, I would say. Yeah, and that was the thing we got to see.
Alright guys, that's it for today. And if you want to see what all things I got from IKEA, then drop it in the comments and I'll make a new video on that. And I guess that's it for now. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.